Hello guys, welcome again to Maxkinon developer team. So this is a portfolio review video and we are viewing a NGO website. This NGO website request was the Indian client, so we already created a beautiful landing page for the donation. So basically this website accepting the donation from the social work, from the people of, and quick fundraise and start donating like that. So we created four boxes like what they are doing, okay, and we created a beautiful footer, not a beautiful, it's a simple footer we already created. So this is the one page landing page. So not only one page, about us, event and blogs and contact us page already there, also donate now option here, and also volunteers. So basically this video created only purpose that we are viewing our portfolio. Also if you want same website or application, so we will help you to build your website and application. So must be check description, we already attach our contact links, also contact details, so must be contact for any type of website and application. We will help you to grow up. So we are waiting for you. Thank you.